Welcome everyone to the intraday for the US indices, and we're gonna see some special requests for some stocks as well. Starting with NASDAQ here, as we mentioned today in the daily, we have completed a wave A of wave 5 here that we're looking for an ABC so far, where after an impulse, ABC should be given as a zigzag. Since we have a zigzag for the wave 3, the same as for the wave 1. So we have 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4, and a wave 5. I'm still looking for higher prices still for a wave 5 that it should reach, of course, the 1-to-1 at least here in case it is a short wave C. So remark as well the 1-to-1 Fibonacci level here in confluence 30K 371. I'm still looking, of course, for higher a little bit for NASDAQ. Once we finish this diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm looking for a potential wave 2 that, of course, it can be, or I would say a wave 4 here in the white scenario, that it can be a 0.23 Fibonacci level before you continue for a new high here. We need a new all-time high for NASDAQ. Don't forget, of course, that it might still be given, of course, in several 4-5 still remaining there for NASDAQ. Probability is still 65 against 35% bullish, of course, for one more high. For SPX, we're looking as well here at a potential wave 5 still to be unfolding for this green area zone here. And this wave 4, which is looking so far for me as a triangle, triangle, yes, actually A, B, C, D, and E, and then we're looking for one more high. Is it an impulse wave 4, like 1, 2, 3 wave 4 as a triangle? Well, can be in that case, meaning you are in an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and that means, of course, SPX can range even for higher still, right? So I would say after this, it can be still, of course, a 70% to 30% bullish here. I might give a little bit, just 5% back for the bearish here, but of course, the highest probability is still going for the bullish there. I'm looking for one more high. For Dow Jones is still ranging in this correction. Nothing has changed. I'm still looking for a new low there. As you can see, we took it 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and very likely even to push toward the downside here in the 53K 348 box, red box, to fill, of course, an A, B, and a C before you continue toward the upside. The bullish scenario is still at 60% against 40%. If we break this red box, then okay, the percentage for the bearish will increase against the bullish. That was it for the intraday. Let's have some special requests from our Discord member, and we're gonna start with Sash, LVMH. So we're gonna see what is that. LVMH, Moet Hennessy Louis Vuitton. All right. Okay. What do we have here? What is that? MACD. You can go away. Here we go. All right. What's going on there? LVMH. Better chart. If there is a better one. Let's see this one. Yes, this is a better one. All right. Okay, so let's go all-time history. So yeah, it looks like as usual, my pattern are moved here by trading view. I don't know why. So basically we have a double 1-2 and another 1-2 here. You're looking at a wave 3 in the orange. This wave 3 in the orange is another double 1-2 internally, where you have finished a wave 3 in the top. We were looking for a wave 4 to reach this blue box, or I would say red box here, wave 4 perfect target. So here we are. You're looking for that zone area here. So you're still looking for lower. It's not done yet, and you're still very, very corrective in a W, X, and a wave Y, where your wave Y is an ABC. You're still expecting a wave C to finish this impulse internally here. If you want to be a little bit more in confluence here for a target, you can take, of course, your W, X, and a wave Y here. Or yeah, if you have passed it, then you need to take this A, B, and a C here as a 1-to-1 Fibonacci level, of course, that is going to finish your wave Y. Otherwise, you can be also in a wave C, yes, very sure you can be, meaning it's 3 waves, a regular flat for wave A, wave B, and you might be in an ending diagonal, for example, here for a wave C. So $371 in confluence to be taken, of course, as a correction. You're not done with this wave for definitely here, especially that the time is still fine. All right, that was for Louis Vuitton. Okay, Amir, GoPro. All right, it's correction completed. Okay, we'll see GoPro. All right, we never did GoPro before. Wow, very bad chart, honestly. Let's see if that is another all-time history. It's the same. Um, honestly, not recommended. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. It's not recommended. Yeah, I know it's a GoPro, which is very famous, but this impulse is very famous as well. All right, so it's very famous, guys. 1, 2, 3. Expanding flat wave 4, wave 5, meaning the trend is downward. I don't know what's going on in GoPro. Um, it's not a correction, Amir. It's a trend toward the downside. Not recommended. Please stay away. All right. Alexandru, can you check hubs? All right. Okay, for hubs, A, B, and a C, yeah, we're still, of course, potentially looking here for an expanding flat because the wave B took the high. And basically, this is your 1, 2, 3. Your wave 4 is still unfolding. You're still looking for your target here. We're not yet done. This is still looking corrective, honestly. I don't see a signal of strength. So, yeah, let's follow exactly the target, at least the 1.38 here to be watched. Of course, have your strategy. You can buy even from there. No financial advice. You can have several entries here. But, of course, have your risk management, right? So, you need a plan for that. So, this is exactly what I'm saying here, right? So be careful with that. But yeah, you're still looking for this, and your target is still 1000, exactly as psychological number, 121 Fibonacci level. Nice. Hung, hello, buddy. Check QBT, all right? E quantum. Okay. I think we did that before, and I never recommend that. All right, it's a very corrective chart. It can be a triangle, A, B, C, D, and E. It can be an A, B, and a C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's horrible. You want to stay away from such a chart, please. It's not healthy for you. Okay. CK, SLX, very welcome. SLX, Van X Steel, all right. Okay. We never did this, I think, but yeah, we did Van Eck before, and we have a count for it, I think. But maybe, oh, it's something different. SLX. Okay. Looks like something different here. Okay, Van Eck was a semiconductor, but SLX is Van Eck steel. Okay, it's different. Okay, so we have. All right, so be careful. Now, it can be a new psychology, but you have here a potential, um, yeah, like an A, B, and a C here. Okay, so what if you have an A, B, and a C? So be careful with it. Just we're gonna put it there. But it can be a new psychology, meaning your chart starts impulsive here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But don't forget that the wave 5 or an impulse can be also for your wave C there. All right. So that is a problem that I'm not really happy with it. But yeah, we're going to see what's going to happen. So basically, you are looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. I think your wave 3, yes, finished over there. Your wave 4, sorry, it should be, yes, here, even wave 3, A, B, C, wave 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here. Okay. So this is how things are. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 3, wave 4, 1, 2. Okay, yes. So basically, if you are looking here for a wave 5, preferably first to finish the wave 3 impulse. So let me check the fib levels first. Okay, 1, 1.618 exactly taken here. So yeah, expect a wave 4 before a wave 5. Okay, expect a wave 4, which it can be the following. All right, and it might take a little bit more time, by the way. So it's gonna be kind of like that, right? Wave 4 and a 5, having wave 5, wave C. Also, if you're looking here for a target more precise for a wave 5, you can have this 5/1. Here, there you go. All right. 161, 198. All right. So that was for Van X Steel. Great. Okay, CK. Kami, hello, buddy. Can you show the XY? Okay. DXY. Let's see what happened lately on the 4-hour chart. So we're looking, oh wow. So DXY is breaking the red zone for a wave 4 in a diagonal. Is it going for this 1-to-1 Fibonacci level here? That's very interesting. Don't forget, you're still, of course, in a diagonal, but here is your red flag, meaning yes, it is allowed to dive deeper until it reach the 98. Here where we dive deeper, right? This is your red flag. Until that time, you still can push toward the upside. Very simple, right? So you cannot do anything here before watching what's gonna happen. Okay. But it is allowed to dive, of course, deeper. Don't forget that the wave for a diagonal as wave for diagonal, there you go. You're allowed to reach the 0.618. Okay, so be careful. It's not yet done. All right, so that's for, yeah, for the DXY. MK4, afternoon, buddy. Your thoughts about SanDisk, okay? NC SanDisk. Where is that impulse going on? Is it the or okay? It's wow. It has hit our target. That's my thought about it. Simply, it has hit our target, and you're still looking for higher to hit exactly the 1.618 before you get any wave 4. Right? So you are in 1212. And even you are in another. So I'm gonna put this in white. And you have another 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, and a 5. In the gray here, for a wave 3, for a wave 4, for a wave 5, 3, 4, and a 5 to reach the green zone. So I'm still looking for the 1,800, very likely to be taken before you push down for wave 4 and continuation toward the upside. Wave 4 target might hit the following in case you take the 1.618. So wave 4 as a perfect target would reach this red zone 1,633 and $1,536. Great. That was for, yeah, for SanDisk. Fatima, hi KG. I just wanted to say that I'm finally a member and very happy to be here. Welcome, Fatima. Welcome to our Discord community. We're happy to have you too. You're very welcome. And here you can write your special request. If you have any stock, you can write it in this page. And if you follow crypto as well, you can have it in this page here for the crypto request. You're very welcome and nice to see you here. Yep, thank you for watching, guys, and thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG trading community.